Welcome to this important lecture, Why Data Governance Matters, Use Cases in Real Life. You may have heard the phrase garbage in, garbage out. That's never been truer than in the world of data. In this lecture, we're going to look at how data governance can make or break business operations and why it's not just a technical concern, it's a business imperative. Imagine you're in a meeting. Sales is reporting $2 million in revenue, but finance? They report 1.8 million. Now the meeting derails into a debate over which number is right. This happens far too often.
Why?
Because there's no single source of truth. Data governance solves this by assigning data owners, defining KPIs clearly, and certifying datasets. With governance in place, everyone works from the same page. Literally. Let's shift to a healthcare scenario. A clinic is audited and fails to prove it properly protected patient data. The fine? Millions. But the reputational loss? Even worse. Good data governance ensures compliance with laws like GDPR, HIPAA, or PIPEDA. With classified data, access controls, and documented lineage, you can show regulators you're in control because you actually are. Ever received the same promotional email twice? Or worse, offers that didn't apply to you? That's poor data in action. In retail, messy customer data means lost trust and missed revenue. With governance, customer profiles are unified. Duplicates are cleaned. Systems talk to each other. The result? Smooth, personalized experiences that build loyalty. Self-service analytics is empowering, but also dangerous if data isn't governed. Picture this. Analysts using old Excel extracts, making major business decisions on stale data. Governance creates a data catalog, a shared glossary, and certified KPIs. This empowers teams to move fast without breaking things. It's not about restricting access, it's about protecting confidence. Merging companies sounds exciting, but try merging their data without governance. Different definitions, systems, and access rules can paralyze operations. With governance, you define terms, align systems, and migrate with structure. It accelerates synergy and prevents post-merger confusion. Think governance doesn't affect operations? Think again. A logistics company starts getting delayed deliveries. Turns out, half the addresses are missing zip codes. With data validation rules and assigned stewards, these issues are caught before they impact delivery. Governance isn't just a strategy, it's operational insurance. So, what have we learned? Data governance is the backbone of trusted decisions, smooth operations, and happy customers. It's the quiet hero behind successful analytics, safe compliance, and reliable growth. In the next lecture, we'll talk about the people behind the governance, who should care and who should lead.